This is a short clip from my video for building a nickel metal hydride battery pack for my Jetson Bolt Pro. I had some initial battery defect problems, but I eventually put together a solid 36 volt pack. Now that I'm happy with its performance, I want to go into detail how the pack was constructed next. The parts needed are pretty simple. It's basically the nickel metal hydride battery packs that add up to 36 volts. Also, a sheet of Kydex big enough to fold into a container to hold and protect the battery packs. I'll need a paper template to test a one-piece layout of the battery container. This is what I'll fold up into a snug fitting container for the batteries. If the container ends up being too loose, I can always line the inside with 1/16" neoprene. I'll transfer the template to the sheet of Kydex. Once the template is taped to the Kydex, I'll use a small nail to mark the corners of the template. With the corners marked, I can then connect the dots with a pencil or scribe. The nail holes are a little tough to see, but look for them at the corners of the pencil lines. To cut out the traced template, it's easier to use a sheet metal snips, but you can also use a utility knife and straight edge. I don't really have a preference of which one I like to use more than the other. I tend to use whichever tool I have available. The bending is important. You'll need a piece of wood with a very sharp corner. The sharp corner makes it possible to fold the Kydex exactly on the line drawn. Whatever way works best, either lay the Kydex on the table and bend it up over the wood corner, or lay it on top of the wood and fold it down. The container turned out slightly oversized, so I'm lining one side of the inside with 1/16" neoprene to keep the batteries snug in the container. Packing tape will hold the neoprene in place and also allow me to tape the container tightly around the battery packs to hold them securely within. I've also taped all the connectors together and also in the same direction, so they'll align easily with my DIY adapter to XT60. With this second battery, I can now charge one battery while the other one is installed in my Jetson and ready to ride. I have 3 chargers for charging 3 of the 5 packs at one time. It sounds like an inconvenience, but it's a lot easier to work with than it looks. In my Jetson, I've got one of the batteries hooked up using my DIY Tamiya to XT60 adapter. The 5 packs are connected in series through this adapter to total 36 volts. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section down below. That's all I have for now, and I will catch you in the next video.